Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can obtain animal keeper badge in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you my achievement. I'm going to open up the watch menu. Then I'm going to go to the achievement. Okay, actually this is the only badge I've earned in Heartopia. Okay, the animal keeper badge. And to obtain this badge, you need to discover the favorite foods for 8 animal groups. And you will obtain title, the delicious title. And then guys, I'm going to show you all animals' favorite foods in Heartopia. So I'm gonna open up my animals catalog. Well, actually for this animal, the sea otter, I haven't discovered it yet, but I've already discovered 8 animals' favorite food. For the sea otter, wait, I haven't discovered yet, but for panda, I've already found it. For panda, its favorite food is bamboo and also apple. And for the capybara, it likes raspberry and tomatoes. And then the bunny, it likes wheat. And for the fox, fox likes meat, and I don't know what it is called. And then sea otter, I haven't found it. And for the ferret, it likes egg. And cicadere likes branch and lettuce. And alpaca likes blueberry and wheat. Okay, and for all the animal favorite foods, I'll put it on the YouTube description so you can check it there. So you can earn the animal badge, animal keeper badge. Okay guys, and that's how you can obtain the animal keeper badge in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!